Hi everyone, it's Gail and I am here with a little bonus video today. I have some fun things to share. So, Mixed Media Minnesota March kit, woohoo, it's out. So I'm so excited to show you this. It is awesome. Okay, usually I start with the papers so that you can see how everything else goes with. So I'm going to do that. We've got 49 and Market Vintage Artistry Every Day. Lucent Ladies, this one is called. Look at the back. Look at the strip. Ooh, that's fun. This one's Vintage Artistry. This is called Serenity. Wow, so pretty. We've got texty background. This is the same Vintage Artistry. Looks like Colors Butter. And it's by Katie Perrette or something like that. This one's called Sachet. Flowers on the back. This one, same, is called Garden Notes. And this one is called Vintage Artistry Everyday Zealous. This one is Solitude. So pretty. Garden Variety. So wonderful, springy. Let me make sure I didn't make sure you were all in frame. I think we're pretty good. Good. Okay. And that one has kind of a brown with some text in it. Then this one's called Convivial. Hope I said that right. So those are the papers that you get. The 49 and Market papers are so nice. They're very thick papers. So you get that. Then you get the Tim Holtz field notes, the snippets, the tiny ephemera. So there's mushrooms and butterflies and little cards and all sorts of things in that from Tim Holtz. Then Tim Holtz Thrift Shop ephemera pack, which has all sorts of yummies in it too. And then you get Little Birdie brand natural flowers. So they're like, they're burlap with a little wooden center to them. Super cute. Then, oh my gosh, these are so fun. Everyday ephemera stack from 49 and Market. This is the Vintage Artistry Everyday. So, oh, here, it shows what's in there. There's the Viewmaster. There's all sorts of things for layering. That's going to be so fun. And then Vintage Artery Everyday Essential Rub-Ons. And those are wonderful. Oh, here, you can kind of see. And I think this flips up. Yes. So I love rub-ons. I have a lot of rub-ons and I kind of forget about them. So I was so excited to see this because, first of all, they're gorgeous, but it kind of reminds me about the rub-ons. Then we've got Little Birdie Decoupage papers in all these flowers. Oh my gosh, pretty, pretty, pretty. So yeah, and then the other two things are, this is some of the Little Birdie and it's burlap wrap. So these are so great for behind words and things like that. And then Deco Magic, Little Birdie Deco Magic Decoupage glue. So I've never tried this. I'm excited to try it. So there you have it. That is the March kit. And in Shannon's little note to me, she said she had 35 available. I went on last night. She only had 25 left. So get yourself over there in a quick hurry to get your March kit. So then Shannon sent some other things from Mixed Media Minnesota. that will go with this kit. Excuse me, I just had to put that down so I could. So, first of all, look at this beautiful dangle that she sent. Oh, dangles, plural. So these are in her shop. So this little one is on the paper clip, as are these two beaded ones. Look at how pretty. And then this is like a little, like almost like a small fabric flip. And then this little fabric piece with a little safety pin and charm on it. And I don't know this, oh, and another little cluster. Love those. So she's got those in the shop. There's 10 available of those. I did not check those last night, so there may be less by now. I'm not sure. So so that, and then she sent some digital kit, 2 new digitals, she said. Okay, let go. Wow, it was really on there. So let's see if I need to put you in further. I do. So let's just zero in a little bit. Okay, so this one is called Word Labels, obviously. And oh, look, these have roses on them. These are plain in various colors. Oh, that is awesome. Those are great. Look at that. And then these, oh my gosh. Yes, these are going to be fun. So roses then again, and a kind of a vintage look on that one. And then this one's called Grungy Wildflowers. Oh my goodness, it looks gorgeous. I'll leave that on so I know. Isn't that pretty? Gonna go great with those papers. Look at that. A real light, almost background type. Butterflies, music. Beautiful. Love this. All the vintagey look. And light flowers. So pretty. Love that. Some graph paper in the back. And damask in the back. And then some tags and journal cards. And, oop, is that upside down? Nope. Could be. Just so you can see those too. So that one is Grungy Wildflower, I do believe. Yeah, Grungy Wildflowers. So that is what's new at Mixed Media Minnesota. Of course, as always, I will have her link in the description box. So, gosh, thank you, Shannon. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. Okay. I'm just going to get this down here, and then we'll look at some other things. I have done a little shopping again, you know, it just happens. I got a couple of stamps. This was actually, I didn't realize it, but it came from Norway. So this shop is called Heart and Soul by M. Heart and Soul by M. And I loved this vintage stamp. I'm excited about this. Let's open it and look. Yeah, it just says vintage, but I think I will end up using that a ton. And then this one's like a background stamp. I don't know. These might be on AliExpress too. They look like they're from China. But they came from Norway. They came to me from Norway. Okay, so I haven't opened this, as you can tell. I haven't opened it yet. So let's see. Oh, isn't that fun? The Road Not Taken. The roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both. But it's just a background stamp. I think that will be fun. So we'll see. We'll see. That's kind of a new shop. And then I had myself a little shop at Roxy Creations, and I got a couple of little slow stitching kits. And so I'm excited about those. And look, Rachel gave me one of her beautiful cards. But this one's all in purples, and I don't do as much in purples. So purples and pinks. So I think that's going to be super fun. So I have to finish the last one. Let me show you. I'll be right back. Very quickly, just on the other side of my cards. But I'm almost there on this one. And this was a kit from Rachel too. And this is going to be a journal cover. So it will be like that. So I think those will be fun for the same thing. So that was from Rachel, Roxy Creations. And then, Only One Life Creations had a sale, and so I got kind of sucked down the rabbit hole with that. But this is a Tim Holtz die brush and die pick accessory kit. It's for those itty bitty bits in when you die cut, and so I thought I would give it a try. I'm kind of excited to see how it works. So yeah, it's just for taking all those itty bitty bits out. So got that. I got these numbers from Tim Holtz. I had never seen these at our Hobby Lobby. So of course I haven't been there in months and months, but anyway, I got those. And then I got a 49 and Market stamp. This is going to go awesome with my kit my March kit. Isn't that cool? So got that. If you sign up for their email, you will know about all these sales that they have. I got this die cut because it's a library pocket, and so I'm gonna have a play with that, I think. I got a stencil from Tim Holtz that I didn't have. Isn't that pretty? It is called Ironwork Layering Stencil. Got that. And then they had these Christmas papers on sale. And so I got a few for making ephemera for next year. They're double-sided. And I thought they were super pretty. So these are Craft Consortium papers. Just all sorts of pretty Christmassy. Makes me want to do Christmas again. And then, so this one's called Festive Flora. This one's called Noel. And super pretty too, pink and teal. You know, I never saw a pink and teal I didn't love. So that's that one. But yeah, I get their emails and it's, you know, it's dangerous. And I go over and think, oh, well, it's on sale. Ooh, these are shiny. So yeah, so that's that one. That's the Noel. And then this one is called Woodland. And it's beautiful too. Look at the animals. This one might be more fallish. It is more fallish. This is Christmas. those fun? So that was my little shop. That was my little shop. And then I wanted to tell you there's sales that are ending in the end of February. So what do we have? We have a couple days. So, oh, the giveaway on Chris Stewart's channel, PieceOmind. I'll link that below. We've got Saved by Grace Creation. 10% off using coupon code We Love Gail. And we have got Journal Me Crazy. Discount code is Diamond, and that goes through February. 60% at Home Book and Treasure, no coupon needed. And then Junk Journal Ephemera, coupon code Gail Feb. So there's a couple of those ending in February, so you'll find that information below. Well, that's my share for today. I hope you all have an awesome day, and we will just see you in the next video. Have a grateful day. Bye.